Introduction to Period Tracking App Reminders.
The Flow, Clue, and Period Tracker are popular apps that help users manage menstrual cycles and health. Setting up personalized reminders ensures you never miss an important date or medication. In this guide, you'll learn how to tailor reminders for periods, fertility windows, and medications in each app, making the most of their features for effective tracking and peace of mind.
Custom reminders in Flow.
To set custom reminders in Flow, tap the menu and select Reminders and Notifications. Here, choose the type of reminder you want, like period start, ovulation, or medication. Toggle each option on or off and adjust the timing to fit your routine. Save your preferences so Flow notifies you at the right moment, helping you stay on top of your cycle and health tasks.
Configuring alerts in Clue.
Open Clue and head to Notifications under Settings. Select which events you want alerts for, such as upcoming periods, fertile windows, or birth control. You can customize the frequency and timing of these notifications to suit your needs. Clue's reminders help you anticipate changes and manage your reproductive health proactively, all with easy on-screen adjustments.
Setting notifications in Period Tracker.
In Period Tracker, access the Settings menu and tap on Reminders. Choose alerts for your period, ovulation, or pill intake. Adjust the timing for each reminder and turn them on or off as needed. This lets you receive timely notifications based on your cycle data, helping you feel more in control of your menstrual and medication schedules.
Tips for effectively using reminders.
For the best experience, regularly review your reminder settings to keep them accurate as your cycle changes. Make sure notifications are enabled in your device settings so nothing is missed. Customizing reminder times to your daily habits, such as setting medication alerts for breakfast, can improve consistency. Stay engaged with your app to update data so reminders remain relevant and helpful.